Here we have 43, Minnesota 43, crossing the Mississippi River to Wisconsin from Winona, Minnesota to wherever it is in western Wisconsin. There's a number of crossings for motor vehicles, and it just gives you a chance to see the Mississippi from the automobile. So this is the Minnesota side, and upcoming here is coming up here is the Wisconsin side. And it looks like this is approaching 50 seconds, so I'm going to turn it off, but over there is the Wisconsin part of